In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect WhatsApp to Discord in 2026. First, open WhatsApp and Discord on your device and make sure both apps are updated to the latest version. Now, understand that WhatsApp does not have a direct built-in integration with Discord, so you can't fully link them like some other apps. Instead, you use third-party tools or workarounds. One common method is using a bot or automation tool like Zapier or IFTTT. You create an automation where WhatsApp messages, usually through Business API or forwarding tools, trigger actions in Discord, such as posting messages in a channel. Another simple method is using WhatsApp Web on your PC and copying important messages manually into a Discord server channel. If you want a more advanced setup, you can use a webhook in Discord. You connect an automation service to send messages directly into a selected Discord channel whenever a specific event happens. Finally, test your setup by sending a message and checking if it appears in Discord correctly. So that's how you connect WhatsApp to Discord in 2026 using available workarounds and automation tools.